Rahman Rahim. Today we are going to start our first ever presentation session. Best of luck to all of you. Be confident and be focused. Thank you.
We all have been doing small stable drum wires. Now is the time to take these are the questions that we are going to discuss. Like what is the instrument that is commonly used for the electrical wires? For large scale drum production. Talking about the terminology, this instrument has a vacuum pump that assists the process of filtration in a rotating drum. Therefore,
it can be used to measure the flow rate of the gas in the water, can be used to measure the blood flow in the veins and the measurement of the chemical flow in the pipelines in the districts.
I'm here to explain the basics about the demineralization of water. Let's start with the introduction. Demineralization of water is the process in which minerals or mineral salts are removed from the water to make the water free of impurities.
For the case, you have to decrease the temperature of your fermenter. A cooling jacket is provided. You can see the cooling jacket in the yellow color around the fermenter.
It's a mass transfer process consisting of the removal of water or another solvent by evaporation from a solid, semi-solid or liquid. There are some types of a dryer like bell dryer, shelf dryer.
Feed valve. First, I will start with the sensor because sensor is the main thing in this process control system. It will measure that what is the temperature inside the tank, what is the flow rate, what is the pressure. It will depend on
Basically the major part where the combustion will take place and the heat is generated. There is an air blower through which the air is supplied and the gas is supplied through the gas pipelines which are attached to the furnace.
ozone is unstable at atmospheric temperature and atmospheric conditions. It disintegrates into oxygen and oxide radicals. This oxygen causes oxidation of the microorganism releasing carbon dioxide. However, a disadvantage here is that the carbon dioxide release lowers the pH of the filtrate medium.
Next is the distillation process. This distillation process is based on the principle that different component substances must have different boiling points.
When we talk about temperature controllers, the name comes to our mind is thermostat. Thermostat is actually a device which automatically regulates the temperature of our devices.
Industrial level. Coming towards the technical definition, boiler is a closed vessel in which the water and pressure can be converted to steam by the application of heat. The function of boiler is to transfer the heat in an efficient manner. A hair dryer is an electrical device used to dry and style your hair. Hair dryer is also known as blow dryer. First hair dryer was invented in 1890 by Alexander Gottfried by taking inspiration from the vacuum.
have to control the temperature to certain limits because if there is an increase in temperature, we will gonna die.
First of all, let me introduce myself. As you all know, a man with brown ears, deep brown eyes, 6.2 height, Muhammad Asulullah.
And the upper
And it's winters, and we hear a man in the street saying, Garamande, Garamande, Garamande.
My humble request to all of you throughout the session will be focus on presentation rather than messages. Focus on presentation rather than messages.
There will be the factor of finite, the word finite. It will be all around the word, but the factor of finite, the word finite.
लग रहा है मैंने 2-3 दिन से प्रैक्टिस कर दी है छोटे में मेरी याद हो गया एक्सपेक्टेशंस मैं नहीं सोचती थी कितना अच्छा डिलीवर होगा मैंने अपनी मम्मी से बहुत ज़्यादा दौम के लिए कहा था फिर इसलिए अच्छी हो गई मेरे पता नहीं था कि मैं डिलीवर कर सकूँगी 2 दिन से मैंने इतनी ज़्यादा प्रैक्टिस की है कि बस खाते पीते हर वक्त फिर किसी को रिवाइज दिस इज़ अ गुड प्रेजेंटिंग माय फर्स्ट प्रेजेंटेशन बहुत अच्छा लगा और मुझे तो रात को ड्रीम भी आया कि मेरी सुबह प्रेजेंटेशन की जब मैंने लैपटॉप ऑन किया तो मेरी प्रेजेंटेशन नहीं है और मैं रोने लगी